Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Google Play Games login problem. If you're trying to log into your Google Play Games and it is not actually logging in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem. If you're first time coming across this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to tap and hold on your Google Play Games and on app information. You can go ahead and do it by going to your settings, clicking on app management, app list, and type in Google Play Store, play Games, and it's going to take you direct to this place. The next step you need to take is to click on the storage and cache. You can go ahead and clear the storage and also clear the cache if possible. The next step you need to take is to go ahead and do it for your Play Store as well, and clear your storage and Play Store cache. And the third step you need to take is to go to your Play Store and search for Google Play Games. Then if it's available to update, as you can see mine is up to date, you can still go ahead and update yours. Then you are going to be checking your network connection. Make sure your network is stable, and you can go ahead and try logging in again. If you found this video helpful, because I've come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe to the channel. Let me in the comment section here if you find anything about Play Store or Google Play Games. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.